Here before you is a Mercedes. Welcome. I'll show you how to easily find the windshield washer fluid filler in this car. So of course this filler is located under the hood. So first we need to open the hood. We can do this using this lever right here, which is located under the steering wheel on the driver's side. Pull it firmly and then you'll be able to open this hood right here. As you can see, I've already done this earlier. And here we can locate this little blue plastic cap, which we can easily open. And here is where we can pour in the windshield washer fluid. As you can see, it is separated from the rest of the engine, from the brake fluids, from the coolant, so it's very easy to spot. Later, after you've poured in the fluid, make sure to close the cap properly so nothing leaks out here. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much and see you next time.